So welcome back to the channel. Here is a quick update. Many people are having confusion that many people are spreading rumors that we need to complete labs manually only. It's not possible. So let me show you. We are using scripts or we are using the lab instructions only. So here, if you come to the week 4 trivia, you can see these two labs. Currently, these are under maintenance. They are working on it. Once fixed, the solution will be live. So if I click on it, and when I click on start lab, okay. So many people are saying that we are using scripts. For example, you can see this is the challenge scenario and we have to do all these tasks over here. But when you'll start the lab, wait for the lab to start. Let me wait. So finally the lab is started and here you can see there is no option to open the console, unlike we have for other labs to open the console where we just create a bucket and add permissions over there. So here you can see there is a CLI SDK only and here we have to write command based on it. So that's why the solutions which are provided are just CLI commands as per the challenge scenario. Okay, we are not violating anything and many people are making confusion so that you are getting confused also. Coming to the this lab, so many are asking about the curl command. So what are the curl command? Whatever you are seeing over here, for example, you are seeing the task number 1. Let me just show you this, this and this. All these commands we have compiled and just we are running in the cloud shell. Okay, only these things are present in whatever tutorial you are seeing on our channel or any other channel. Also, some people what they are doing, that they are saying GitHubs are not allowed, so they are opening the online notepad or personal notepad and pasting the same code. If you just analyze over my video and any other video who are just saying that it's not allowed, they are just pasting in the notepad and saying. So this kind of confusion is created among the arcade participants and they are clueless how to do. So do not worry, if you are following the tutorials, you are safe. Even if you are worried whether you'll get the prize email or not, or insider email or not, you can clearly see many of my subscribers have already received the Arcade Insider email. Even they have commented also that I have received, thank you for your videos, thank you for your videos. So you can just check it out. There is no issue. I want to clear this confusion. Stay away from rumors and whatever things. You can just imagine directly how we can open the console over here. For some labs, it is okay, we can use the console, but they are themselves promoting that use CLI SDK or console. You have two options in cloud. If you know CLI method, you can use CLI method. If you know console method, you can use console method. So I hope it clears your doubt. Now please complete all the challenges. Some of the labs are not working. I have already posted the video regarding it. You must have watched in the shorts also yesterday only. I think I posted in the morning that some labs are not working. Okay, if it's yes, this lab. Wait a second. I think here is only the video. Okay, do not worry. I have already shared in the dedicated Telegram channel. Also, if you want to participate in the arcade program, make sure to come to the playlist and here is the complete guide. Okay, complete guide is there. Whatever queries you have, I have covered and more will be added very soon. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.